Hi, today we're showing parallel parking. I'm just going to pull alongside the silver car. I'm checking my mirror, I'm indicating to the left. I'm pulling alongside about half a meter distance from the car, rechecking my mirror, selecting reverse. I'm just going to go back until the rear wheel of my car is about even with the rear end of the car. And from that position I'm going to lock the wheel fully anti-clockwise. Still checking all around just to make sure it's safe. We're going to reverse until we reach about 45 degrees. From that position, once I reach that position, I'm going to straighten my wheel, still checking all around me to make sure it's safe, indicator back on the left. I'm going to go back until I reach about half a meter distance from the curb. From that position I'm going to lock the wheel fully clockwise. Keep looking all around me. I'm going all the way back until my car is straight and parallel alongside the curb. I straighten the wheel up, I just move forward and close the gap between us and the car in front of us. Once I reach about a meter or 2 meters from the car, I put the car in park, I put the handbrake on, and my parallel park is finished. We go out from here, I select reverse, I can indicate to the left, I have a good look all around, I'm checking behind me as I'm reversing just to make sure that it's safe. Looking all around, indicating to the right, selecting drive. From here I'm just moving forward, I'm checking my mirrors, I'm checking my blind spot. Still got my indicator on the right, checking my mirrors, it's all clear. I'm looking over my shoulder, it's all clear. And I'm moving off and I'm accelerating away.